Hi everybody, welcome to my video today, you guys. I want to share with you my November Stamp Club projects. This is for my Ink It Up and Create Stamp Club, and I love sharing with these projects with you guys. And this month we are using this suite of product right here. It starts on page 6 of the holiday catalog. Let me show you some of the beautiful samples here in the catalog. What we're going to be using is this stamp set, the cardinal, and then the dies is what I have chosen to work with. But there's also this great wreath builder die and stamp that you could use that coordinates with this. One of the reasons I love this set of product is because you can see that it has really traditional Christmas colors, the red and the green, and that is my favorite. I just love red and green and holly berries and stripes and the check pattern. I just think it's gorgeous for Christmas. And so let me show you guys. Start with some of the designer paper. So the way I've arranged this paper is so that every other piece is a different color, so you can kind of get the range of it. And the great thing is that the front of the paper is the red, and then the back of the paper is the green. So it's the same pattern, but it's just a different color. So it's so nice to use this. And then also in this suite of product, there is wrapping paper that is this design that you can get, which is so fun. So here's the designs of the paper. And again, you have that in red as well. And this month, for my Ink It Up and Create Stamp Club, it's very simple to join. You're just placing a $50 order using the appropriate host code for the month. I send that host code out to all of the members so that they know which one to use, and then you get a package in the mail from me. And this month your package is going to include some of the designer paper, some of this beautiful red ribbon. You will also get some of this green ribbon because we'll be using it on our bonus project. And then you get some of the glitter enamel dots. So you get a fun package like that in the mail from me. And then you get 3 different designs of cards, and you make 2 of each. So you get to make 6 total cards. And we have this one here. I'm going to be showing you some ways to not have to color the bird. I shied away from this set for a long time because I'm just not into coloring. I don't love it. And I wasn't sure that I could make this stamp set work if I didn't want to color. And I found that there's lots of ways that you can use this and you don't have to color, which can be really nice. So we'll make 3 different cards. You get to make 2 of each, and there is an exclusive video and PDFs that come for you to be able to make this project. And then you get to make a bonus project, and you get all the supplies to make the bonus project, and we do that live in our Facebook group. So we have an exclusive Facebook group where you can participate and be there and hang out with us as we do the live project. If you can't make it for the time that I do the live project, everything is recorded and you can do it at your own time for sure. So this is our bonus project, and it has some fun treats inside the treat tube. So we have that. Every month there is a giveaway. I have given away a Stamparatus, a new Stampin' Up trimmer, a card kit. So there is always a giveaway every single month where somebody wins something. And then I always include some fun product for you guys to try out and to have that is totally free. So I do provide a supply list, and you can purchase whatever you want. You can make your order and you can purchase the supplies and then some other items if you want. You can purchase. You don't have to purchase the supply items if you don't want to. Just nothing in the kit comes stamped. So that's the only thing. If you want to make this, you'll need the stamp set. You don't even actually need the dies to go along with this if you did not want to get the dies. Everything you could fussy cut if you wanted. So these are my projects for the Stamp Club for November 2019. There is a link below for you to sign up in the YouTube description or on my website. Stamp Club for November does close next Friday. So it's open for 1 week for you to join and get all the information. And then that is because I need to order product and get it sent out to you guys in your packages. And then we have our live workshop. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I hope that you're having having a great day, and I will be back on Thursday to share with you a fun project using these Stampin' Up! Pillow boxes. Hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to you later.